In front of me is a TP-LINK Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to reset app preferences. So we'll start off by opening up the settings, and from there navigate to apps. So right there, tap on it, and then tap on the three little dots in the top right corner here, and you have the option reset app preferences. So just tap on it and confirm it by tapping reset apps, and the process is done by now. So that is how you reset app preferences. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.